Come spend the day with me and my wife as we explore, eat, create, and low-key get lost in Tokyo, Japan.
You made this?
A couple's ring making experience, and y'all, it was the perfect combination of hands-on and romantic. Creating something from scratch with the person you love just hits different. And I'm a simp for sentimental gifts, so this one is definitely a 10 out of 10. Shout out to my baby for being way better with tools than me, but we both left with matching rings and a memory that feels even more permanent. Now listen, the Tokyo subway system is a maze. A clean maze, but still a maze nonetheless. Trying to get to TeamLabs was a whole situation. We stopped at the wrong station not once, not twice, but 3 times. By the third miss, I was questioning my whole sense of direction. We finally made it to TeamLabs. Stepping in was like a dream. Art always amazes me because it exemplifies all the mind is capable of.
And I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah.
Each room you're walking through doesn't stay still long enough for you to understand it. At one point, we were standing in an infinite motion picture that felt like time stopped. In that moment, it didn't exist. We could have been standing there for 30 to 45 minutes. I don't know.
I really want to know you all. I really want to show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that. She wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
What I love most about TeamLabs is the reminder that you're part of the art. It changes depending on how you move with it. Isn't that kind of like life? We're all just walking, shifting, flowing, and glowing with every step. Thanks for coming along with me for 24 hours in Tokyo. Every moment was inspiring. If this video gave you something to think about, feel, or laugh at, drop a comment and let me know what your dream destination is.